analysis. Okay, so let's have a look at the purpose. Okay, evaluation of internal makeup of financial statement, evaluation of financial statement account across companies. So the output is we are going to proportionate the size of assets, liabilities, equity, revenues, and the expenses. Alright, so let's have a look at the example. So this is how we do the common size for the balance sheet. Okay, so we are going to make the total assets as 100 here, and the total liabilities and shareholders' equities also 100. So we are going to divide, okay, all of the sub-item in the assets with the total asset, okay, such as current asset cash 95.8 divided by total asset 941.2. So we get the proportion here, okay, ataupun the percentage, berapa percentage of cash daripada total assets. Okay, so the total assets tu must be equal to 100. Okay, next, this is the common size for the income statement. Okay, so for the income statements, we are going to make the net sales as 100%. Okay, and then we are going to calculate lah. Okay, the cost of goods sold 1128.5 we divide by the net sale 1938. Okay, kita dapatlah proportion dia berapa persen cost of goods sold daripada net sales tu. Okay, and then how many percent the gross operating profit, okay, out of the net sales. Alright, so I'm going to show you the example, okay, how to do it in Excel ataupun we are going to use the same example with the previous analysis, year-to-year change and index number analysis that we have done before. Alright, so I'm going to clear these things dulu. Okay, so this is a common size for the balance sheet. Alright, so we are using the Dungun Bersatu balance sheet. Okay, so first we are going to make total assets and the total liabilities and equities 100. So we just key in 100, 100, 100 for all the years. Okay, same goes to the total liabilities and equities. Alright, 100. And then to calculate the proportion or the percentage of cash and cash equivalent out of total assets. So this one is equals, okay, the cash and cash equivalents 2017, okay, which is 30,000. You divide it by the total assets of the year 2017, 157,200 thousands, and then times with 100% because we want the answer to be in the percentage. Okay, so you just drag down the formula. So we can read the cash and cash equivalent is 8.86% of the out of total assets 100. Okay, so the biggest amount of asset owned by the company is land because it is made from 55.98% out of total assets. Okay, out of 100%. And then same goes to the year 2018. Okay, to calculate the proportion, okay, is equal to cash and cash equivalent for the year 2018. You divide it by the total assets for the year 2018, which is 198,500 thousands. Okay, and then times with 100. Alright, so the cash and cash equivalent is 11.08% out of 100% for the year 2018. So we can see the pattern or the trend is increasing from 8 to 11%, okay, for the year 2018. How about 2019? Okay, so this one is equals to cash and cash equivalent for the year 2018 divided by the total assets of the year 2018. This one, 102,800,000. Okay, and then times with 100. Okay, so the cash and cash equivalent increased to 11.48% in 2019. Alright, okay, and then you can see the pattern or the trend. Alright, the land, okay, has decreased the amount, okay, from 55 to 44 and then increased back to 48. Okay, alright, so the idea is you are going to read the sub-item in the assets and the liabilities in terms of percentage. Okay, and then for the account payable ataupun for the liability side, okay, sama juga, equals account payable for the year 2018, you divided by the total asset ataupun the total liabilities and equities, 157,200,000 and then times with 100%. Okay, so account payable is 14.42% out of 100% of the total liabilities. Okay, and then for the year 2018, this one is equal to 50 million. You divided by the total liabilities and equities for the year 2018, which is 198,500,000. Okay, times with 100. Okay, it is 25.19%. Okay, increase from 14% to 25%. Alright, and then for the 2019, so this one is equals 15.8 million divided by the total asset, or the total liabilities and equities for the year 2019, 102, ini total dia ni, 102,800,000 and then times with 100. Okay, so the account payable has decreased, okay, from 25 to 15.37% in year 2019. Alright, so this is how you do the common size analysis. Okay, you per ataupun you proportion the total assets to 100% and the total liabilities and equities to 100%. Okay.